course, Pakistan versus India. Crowd has been building for most of the morning leading into the afternoon. There's a lot of support for India and Pakistan around, and there is people still coming in to watch what will be the 14th time that these two teams. Nice shot, a little bit aerial, but he used the pace, beautiful timing, and Rohit is off the mark with a 4. Yeah, that's that little bit of movement. Look at the carry as well, definite pace there, like the option of 2 slip. Lovely shot. It is beautiful shots. Just have to check whether it goes all the way. He just lets that come in. It'll be close to a 6, this. Look at that swing. Beautiful bowling. Absolutely beautiful.
And he's bowling at pace. Do it, does it?
Got him! What a delivery! 2 across, 1 back in. You beauty, Shaheen Shah Afridi. Rohit is gone.
What a shot. Wasn't full at all, but the cover drive comes out to a good ball. That was a good ball. Boom! Played on. And who's done it? Shaheen Shah Afridi again. 2 wickets gone. Good shot. It's outfield.
And a fiver then.
Lovely shot. Tell you what, Shreyas Iyer is fit. That we know because he's playing this game. Another good shot. Good timing on that one. This is a slow outfield, but the ball is speeding to the boundary. Gone so quickly to fine leg. Not a great delivery.
Hander. There you go. The short delivery straight to the man at mid-wicket. Fakhar Zaman catching that one. That's the 3rd one.
Might go for runs as well, that's okay. There's a 3rd man there. There's a fielder underneath. No, 1 bounce into the fence. It was close.
Oh, edge pass first slip. Ishan Kishan was trying to work that to the leg side.
Here.
Bowled. Another one. Haris Rav this time. Shubman Gill. There for a long time. So good, the Pakistani bowlers. Oh, it's gone through. Some bonus runs for India. Naseem Shah. Whatever thread there is in the bud. This is going to be 4. Went to the pitch of the ball. Then aggressive minded. Another one. Gift from Shadab. Oh, interesting shot this, and just ran in too much. Haris Rav, everybody, a lot of fielders having their hands on their heads because he just came in too much. Oh, well bowled. This is more an attempt to just swing the ball. 89 for 4. Oh, some excitement. Now.
Keep rolling through. Goes a flat line there, so there's no bat involved. We can go back.
Second time he's played that shot with an appeal from the bowler, the keeper as well. And a few more extra runs for India, you would think.
Good placement. He's a good player of spin. Just using the pace on that occasion. Fine shot. Gets to the boundary.
Instead of a spinning all-rounder. But again, it's too late for that. They're going to come back for 2 beautiful shots.
And that's a 50. Ishan Kishan. And
9th over.
it puts a lot behind every shot. % around the 15 overs. It's gone up to 48. And another sing. It's gone straight. And it's long enough. Designed that gap. And has managed to find the boundary with it. And now it's Hardik Pandya's turn to raise the bat.
between them.
Straight away on the money. He has this knack of breaking partnerships.
And it's 7 for 4.
Such a big side. What about that? What about that? Fast hands. Some treatment. In the air. Wide of the fielder. Don't worry about the fielder. That's going all the way.
Well, I definitely think there's now a plan. These two are going to go.
That's in the air. This should be taken. And he breaks the partnership. But what an innings this from Ishan Kishan. Oh, that's cut hard. Into the fence like a tracer bullet. And this time fine. Consecutive boundaries. Oh, what a shot that is. This is even better.
Jardine as well. Perfect foil and that gap. Bad. Oh, it's gone through again. Pakistan fielding tonight. It's gone. Slow ball from Afridi. And he's got Hardik Pandya. Fantastic bowling.
Tonight.
Gone. Picks up another. He kept the quality fast bowlers for later. And this is the reason why. It's gone straight up. This is going to be another wicket. Good catch. The fielding hasn't been great, but that was a good catch and it was one of the better ones. Shadab Khan. And that shot is even more brilliant. One bounce over the boundary. The crowd love it.
Oh, that's beautifully struck. Well, he takes pride in his batting, Jasprit Bumrah. Now that's edged. The finger has gone up. And Naseem Shah.
Now there's a fielder getting under it. Takes a catch,